Hello Paul, this is a quick tutorial on using this microphone. The camera may move around a little bit because I'm holding the camera with one hand and the phone with another, the recorder with another. To switch the thing on, you have to press this button here, the power button on there, and press and hold it like that, and then this picture will appear on the screen. It'll make a noise like you've just heard, and then you'll get this this kind of picture come up in front of you like that. Then you need to put it on a pillow at about 6 to 10 inches away from your mouth, pointing at your mouth, and I'll have to turn it round again. To start the recording, you need to hang on a minute, press this red button here and then start your recording. You'll see that the green meter needles are moving. The level is automatic, so you don't have to worry about it. Best not to shout into it though, because it will distort. So and you'll notice that the timing of the recording is increasing, so you know how much you've recorded. Everything else is automatic. When you've finished your recording, obviously it will be on the pillow here, you can press the red button again like that. It will beep very quietly and then it will stop like that. Now the next is, you finished your recording. To play, you press this triangle here under my thumb and then start your recording. You'll see that the green meter needles are moving. The level is automatic, so you don't have to worry about it. Best not to shout into it though, because it will distort. So and you'll notice that there you go. The timing of the recording is increasing, so you know how much you've recorded. Everything else is automatic. I've never quite worked out how to stop playing, but I think it's press to play again. Yes, it is. I've had this for 20 years and I still can't work that one out. So that's how you can listen back to it. Now here's the clever bit. It's also the slightly difficult bit. Oh, that's paused. Hang on a minute. How do I stop this? I'll have to let it run for a minute. While that's running, we need to you need to go to your computer. In this case I'm using my laptop. It could be any computer that has a USB port. That's a USB socket. Now on here, on my laptop, the USB socket is, I can't quite see it, there. And you take the recorder, looking at it like this, on the right hand side at the bottom, there's a clever little thing here. I'm going to have to let go of my phone and it will put this between my knees, because I can't hold the phone and this at the same time. You pull this out like that, so that this connection hangs like this. Hang on, let me show you. Like that. And you plug this from the phone, from the recorder, into the USB port there. Now there's a right way that goes in. If it won't fit and push in, you know, with USB sockets, if it's upside down it won't fit, turn it up. If it won't fit, turn it up the other way. When you plug it in, your computer will then have it as a sort of spare drive. Now this is a slightly technical bit. I'm going to get rid of this on here. So when this, let me see if I can get a decent, we're outside, so you go to your files like that, and then you look for this drive like that, and it should come up on the drive as this PC. Just a second. I think it's this one. No, it's not. It's probably, no, it's just loaded. There we are. So it will come up as where is it? Sorry, I'm just trying to it will come up as this little symbol here on your drive on OS Q3_SDE. In my particular case, it might be different for your computer. And then so you click that, and then that will come up, and look for the file marked DCIM. Click that, and then 100 zoom, click that, and these files here are all the files that you need. Then you need to be able to email those to me. Now, I don't know how up you are with sending files by email. If that's a problem, you can use a system known as WeTransfer, but then we might have to talk a bit. So you then have to I think it's right click or left click. Right click and go down to send to mail recipient. And hopefully at that point your email client will open. There we are, there's your email, and that's my email address. Type my email address in and send. Anyway, that's a slightly complicated bit, but you know, I hope that at least helps.